Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times Design Team project. But before that, make sure you check out the post at the end, or either at the beginning. I might have it come in at the beginning, where my Creative Time has started a new platform as well. So if you want to check that out, make sure you look at the information that I have on the screen. All right, so this is what I'm using today for my project. Let's celebrate 2025, and this is the latest papers that she's come out with. Very cute, love those. I'm also using the Joyous Birthday, and I am using one of these in here, and I just cut off the birthday at the end. I forgot which one I'm using, but anyways, you'll see it. Also using the 3.75 by 4.75 add-ons, and I'm using a couple dies from there. Strawberry tag dies, and I'm using this one right here. Mini layered bow dies, I'm using both sizes, so I'm using the mini layered and the fun size as well. And then the 3.75 by 4.75 envelope die. That's also what I am using there, along with the happy birthday there. This is the adorable little project that I created for you. I thought it turned out very cute. So this is where I use the 3.75 by 4.75 card base layer. I actually layered the smaller die inside the scallop dies to create that look there. I also popped up the happy from that 3.75 envelope die, really cute. And then I took that birthday from the Joyous Birthdays, and I just cut off the other part and just used the birthday. And I did heat emboss that as well. Added some gems on there. There goes that mini bow die. Oh, and I also forgot to bring out the strawberry flower dies or plate dies, and I used that for the flowers on here and on here as well. And there goes the paper, really cute. And then the inside, I just used another die from that 3.75 by 4.75 card base layer. And then here goes the envelope that I created to go with it. And this is the fun size bow die, really cute. And then I used another flower. These flowers are compliments of Christine, which is Shabby Pink House. Thank you so much. And then I just closed that underneath there. I did glue that to that little piece under there that you can lay it under there. And then you can just slide the card right in there. Really, really cute. Really like how both of those turned out. As you can tell, I forgot to check for the directional paper on that, but it still works. Anyways, so that's my project for this week. And like I said, make sure you check out the new platform that My Creative Time is on. If you'd like to join, please do. And that's about all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.